What happens if at the end of a month we're doing a bank reconciliation in QuickBooks and our balance isn't matching the actual statement we see on a current credit card statement, bank statement, PayPal statement, whatever it is we're reconciling? For a question that we don't only get from potential clients or current clients, but also a question that me as a bookkeeper, I had this question when I started working. So I think the best way to show you what we do in this instance is to share my screen and we'll go over a quick example. They have 4 different accounts that we're going to need to reconcile each month. There's a credit card, a PayPal, a regular checking account, and an Amazon credit card account. So to reconcile these accounts, we're going to click on the reconcile button up there. And then I will click resume reconciling. And then there's a number there. You see this number 3606? We like this to see this number to be 0. But when it's not, that means there's a difference. So we have a discrepancy somewhere, so we're going to have to do a little detective work to figure out what to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is click that Edit Info button, and I'm going to see the beginning balance and the statement ending balance. And then we see there's a date, July 4th. So if you look at here at the actual statement we'll get from the bank, well, my beginning balance says it's $3621.69, which matches there. My ending balance here says $3,001.10, which if you look at QuickBooks, that also matches there. And then the statement ending date is the 4th of July, which if you look on the actual statement is, 7/4/24. So all that information checks out. So I'm just going to click Save. A lot of times, you hope you messed up a number there and the fix is pretty easy. But in this case, it isn't. So the one thing I like to do when working on a reconciliation is I'll just click on all of them again. And then I'll just click Yes. Select all. And to see if I'm making sure everything is checked out, which in fact it was. So now we're still missing this 3606. So what I do then is I look at the most recent, which here when you filter the dates, the most recent is the 4th of July. Here if you look at this 7/4/24, you can see that 3606 number, which is the number that I'm off. So my guess is the 3606 expense they had on the 4th of July probably didn't show up on the statement. But just to confirm that, I'm going to go and take a look at the actual statement. And when I scroll down and take a look at all of their transactions for the month, so here we go, I'll see the last couple are on July 3rd. I see a $25.26, a $55.89, and a $77. All of those show up in QuickBooks, but nowhere do I see this $36.06 expense. So I just want to uncheck that, and then I'll click Finish Now, and everything should be reconciled correctly. So now it says you reconciled the account. I hope this video helped you.
If you're interested in knowing more and learning more great tips and information about bookkeeping and accounting, go ahead and check out one of these videos right over here, and we look forward to seeing you in that next video.